Want to get a little more personal? Try adding variables to your overlay text. Here we have a video ask for an event, and we want to personalize the overlay text, the text that appears over the video, for each attendee. We already have a list of attendees and where they found out about the event. So we want to add that info to the follow-up video ask that we're sending out. Under Share and Embed, we'll add variables to this link by clicking here. I'll add the variable for contact name and then add my own variable for source, which will show where attendees found out about the event. Then I'll go back and click Build to add the variables to the overlay text. I want to add text to the first step, so I'll click on it and then navigate to the Video tab. Here I'll write my overlay text. When I want to add the variables, I'll add 2 curly brackets right in my variable and then close it with 2 more curly brackets. Just make sure that whatever you've written between brackets is identical to your variables. Next, I'll go back to the Share and Embed panel and copy this link. When it's time to send it out, I'll replace the X's in the URL with the contact name and source. Just like that, you'll see the overlay text being personalized to your respondents. And here's a disclaimer. If you forget to replace the X's in the URL, this is what your attendees will see. Oops. Stay personal with VideoAsk.